Hey everybody. So I had a question. I thought all of our fish had an ick, so I started treating for ick, and so all of them but one died, and this one looks like he's on his last leg. It's like he's eating it alive, kind of, and he never swims, and so I know something's wrong. He's usually up in his cave. If anybody knows what this can be, because we've treated for ick, this is what, day 6 of the treatment. Yeah, day 6 of the treatment. And well, we have one fish left, and it looks like it's gonna be, God willing, I hope he gets better, but he was looking kind of rough. So if anybody has any ideas on what it can be, please let me know.